Dreams and visions within the minds that nobles, a place to stay, a chance to live and grow. Man endowed with wisdom and honor, molded pride of society. We're singing victorious praises, Ilocos or Polytechnic State College. A place where you and I belong. Long live our alma mater. Once realized, built close to every heart, with warm motherly embrace for all. Like a knight in shining armor, guiding star of searching soul. We're singing victorious praises. Ilocos or Polytechnic State College, a place where you and I belong. Long live our alma mater, your quest to provide us with enlightened minds to promise completely in our endeavors, enabling each to share wherever we are towards greater heights. We go forth and serve God and fellow men, for reaching we will shine. We're singing victorious praises, Ilocos or Polytechnic State College, a place where you and I belong. Long live our alma mater, long live our alma mater. Long live ISPSC. Vision, a vibrant and nurturing polytechnic service college for transforming lives and communities. Mission, to improve the lives of people and communities through quality instructions, innovations, productivity initiatives, environment and industry-feasible technologies, resource mobilization, and transformational outreach program and services. BSIT Go. The program prepares students to be IT professionals who are well versed in application installation, maintenance and operation, development and administration. It also engages them in lifelong learning endeavors contributing to research, extension, and research generation in the field of information technology. BSIT objectives: to practice in advanced human resource in field of information technology, specifically in the development, installation, maintenance, operation, and management of information technology. Develop students with critical thinking through research and extension activities. To strengthen values which are desirable in the information technology profession and the common good. Core values: productivity, delivering quality programs, research and developing proactive professionals. Resiliency, cultivating positive attitudes and renewal amidst challenges. Accountability, being responsible, transparent, and decisive. Ingenuity, prudent use of resources and cost effectiveness. Synergy, teamwork, collaboration, and partnership with stakeholders. Excellence, global orientations, empowerment, and transformation.